Hi guys, my name is Neeraj Reddy Pari. So today I'm going to demonstrate my blockchain project, which is a decentralized application called Sports Memorabilia. So Sports Memorabilia is application which is developed for buying the sports product via Ethereum. So first step is our Solidity program, smart contract. Smart contract is a program which lives on the blockchain and written by a set of rules. Whenever the set of rules are satisfied, it automatically gets triggered and writes the data on the blockchain, which is immutable. So this is a smart contract which I have created. This smart contract helps the users to create the market items and purchase the market item, fetch the market item by the category, and fetch the items. So I'll show you a simple example how my UI interacts with the smart contract. So whenever a user clicks on the connect wallet button, it triggers handle connect or account function. So this is some of the static data which I'll show you the later in my application. So handle connect account uh, first checks whether the application is connected to the MetaMask or not. If it's connected, it navigates directly to the profile stage, or else it will connect. It will trigger the connect wallet function. So connect to wallet function helps our application to connect to the MetaMask wallet, and it also helps to initializes the contract. Initializing the contract needs the ABI, which whenever we compile the Solidity program, we'll get an ABI. And here I have accessed the ABI and I pasted the ABI in a separate file and I have accessed it using a single variable and I have imported it here as you can see in the import statements. So this is the development phase of my application, which and I have developed my application using the React JS. So coming to the deployment phase, I have deployed my application on the Vercel Cloud. Vercel Cloud is a cloud provider which helps for the faster deployment of the application. So it gave me a domain name. So I am also going to access the application via this domain. So here, whenever I paste my domain and enter, you can see this is my website, and here it is already connected to the wallet, but here for you it will trigger the connect wallet option, and these are some separate pages, cricket, football and badminton according to the sports category. This is a static data. Whenever we add an item, the static data gets replaced. To keep the pages fill, I have just implemented some static data. So here in the football I have one listed item and badminton as well. So now we are going to add an item. So we are adding an item badminton bag. So we'll list it for a 0.01 ETH and we need to give a badminton image URL. Sorry, bag URL now. So we'll take this bag and we'll paste it here and we'll select the badminton and we'll click the add item. The MetaMask pops up automatically. And whenever we give the confirmation, it lists the item on the website. So before that, it takes some time. So we will show you the Etherscan where this is the deployed contract on the Etherscan. These are my previous transactions. Now the transaction has been confirmed. In the recent transactions, if I refresh the page, you need to see my transaction from my wallet to the contract. So 26 seconds ago, it has contacted my contract here, and now before that I'll show you a account. This is my FA account. It has a 0.277 ETH. So this is a fixed receiver which receives all the Ethereum. So whenever a buyer buys product by spending the ETH, the all the ETH it will get transferred to this account automatically from the contract. So as I listed the item, now I'm going to buy the item. The item has been listed successfully now. Whenever I click on OK, in the badminton section, I can see the bag. Now here there is a add to cart functionality and the buy now functionality. So now I'll add it to the cart now, and I'll complete my payment here from by clicking this button. Now the 0.01 ETH will be disconnected, sorry, deducted from my account one. And whenever I click on the confirm, you can see after the transaction has been completed, you can see the increase in this MetaMask wallet. No, keep eye on it. It is 277. Before that, we'll Refresh this contract. Yes, the transaction has been confirmed, and you can see it has 0.287 ETH. So there is a increase of 0.01 ETH in this wallet, which proves that the all the ETH which was transferred from one account receives to this one. And I have also verified this contract. You can see here in the read contract. You can see in the owner section, this is a A9 wallet. A9 wallet is my main account wallet, this one. And I have purchased my items. You can see 0.01 has been detected from my account. And this is a fixed receiver. We ends with FA. So in the FA, as I showed you, this is my FA account, which has increased in the 87, sorry, 10% of the ETH. Yep. So this is the entire application of my blockchain project and functionality. Thank you.